For lesson 26, we are going to talk about possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns show ownership. They show possession. Examples of possessive pronouns are her, his, its, their, my, our, your, and these pronouns replace possessive nouns. For example, Nancy's house is blue. Her house is blue. This possessive pronoun of her takes the place of the possessive noun of Nancy's. It shows ownership. It's the house that belongs to her. Possessive pronouns such as hers, his, theirs, mine, ours, and yours can replace both the possessive noun and the noun that is a possession. What does that mean? For example, Nancy's house is the blue house. So this is the possessive noun. It shows ownership over the house. But when we use the possessive pronoun hers is the blue house. It replaces both the possessive noun, showing that it is Nancy's house, and it also shows that the house belongs to her. It replaces the noun that is the possession. It is hers. So this word house is also replaced by hers.